A man opens his front door. No warrant, no warning, just a badge and a question he never expected. Within minutes, he's in handcuffs for something he was never actually required to do. 3 tips whenever cops want to see your guns. By the end, you'll know exactly what to say and exactly when to say nothing at all. Tip 1. The door. Someone knocks, claims to be with the ATF, says they have a record, you bought 2 or more firearms, and they want to confirm you still have them. It sounds made up. It isn't. This has happened, on camera, to people who broke no laws at all.
Here's the rule. You don't have to open that door. Not to talk. Not to explain. Not even to confirm your home. Only 3 things force entry. Your consent, a valid search warrant, or a real emergency happening right now. Nothing else works. Not a badge, not a claim, not a threat. And here's what most gun owners get wrong. Own a suppressor? A short-barrel rifle? Registering it never waived your rights. That protection only lifts for licensed dealers, not for you in your own home. Got a warrant shown to you? Ask them to slide it under the door first, read it, confirm it, then open up. But you still don't have to talk. 1 sentence does the job. I'm exercising my right to remain silent. Then stop. Tip 2. The traffic stop.
Lights behind you. Officer at your window. I need to see any weapons in this car. Hands on the wheel. License, registration, insurance. Nothing more. Then comes the moment that ends most people's case before it starts. Mind if I take a look? And they freeze. Say nothing. That silence can be read as consent. 1 frozen second and the whole car gets torn apart, seats out, panels off, an hour gone on the side of the road. Say it instead. I do not consent to a search of this vehicle. 6 words. That's the entire difference. Told to step out? Comply immediately. Never resist with your body. But keep saying it out loud. I do not consent. I am not resisting. Serious. Slower. That sentence is what your attorney needs later to challenge the search in court.
Tip 3. Knowing when it's over. Officers are trained to keep the conversation going. Why not let me look if you've got nothing to hide? That's not a question. That's bait. Ask this instead. Officer, am I free to leave? A yes means you drive away. A no means you're now detained, and that's the exact moment to say, I'm exercising my right to remain silent. I want to speak to a lawyer. Don't wait for Miranda. Most officers never read it unless they're formally questioning you. Refusing a search never makes you look guilty. Courts can't use it against you. Ever. 3 tips whenever cops want to see your guns. Don't open the door without a warrant. Never consent. Say it out loud. Ask if you're free to leave, and know when to ask for a lawyer. Say these 3 sentences out loud right now. Not because you're paranoid, because panic erases memory and muscle memory doesn't. The people who lose their case aren't the ones who stayed quiet. They're the ones who talked their way into a search they never had to allow. If it's legal where you live, record the interaction. It protects you. It protects the officer, too. This is general legal information, not legal advice for your specific case. Laws differ by state, so a local attorney is your best resource. Next time, we cover what happens after the handcuffs go on, and the 1 sentence that can get an entire case thrown out before it ever reaches a courtroom.